Tristan, I thought you were gonna sneeze. Come on. Don't you have to sneeze? Maybe? It's really cute when you do. I guess the camera's gonna be distracting in getting this, huh? Hadn't thought of that. Okay, we'll try again later.